Healthy snacks, hard to find. You need something quick.
So we're heading into Trader Joe's right now to show you some of our favorites.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Robyn, what are we gonna look for first?
We're gonna look for my favorite little cheese snacks.
Okay, we're back from Trader Joe's with an armful, literally, of snacks. We're gonna go over one at a time just to give you some ideas on how to eat them in moderation.
First, we want to share with you a few things that we like to keep on hand in our pantry or refrigerator. Most of them are vegetable based. Some of them is just raw vegetables such as tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, that kind of thing. But a few things that we like to have at home to just nibble on.
One of my favorites are the jars of artichokes. And keeping them in the fridge, I like them cold, but adding them to a crudité or to just your snack adds some extra oomph.
And hearts of palm. But I literally will open a can and I'll eat half a can. I'll just pick the spears up, 2 or 3 spears, and I like them cold. Actually, they can be room temperature too. They're delicious.
Speaking of spears, I've got some Clausen dill pickle spears. And you know, it extends a meal. When you get a lot of different textures in your mouth, say you are having a snack or even a lunch, and especially with proteins and things like that, a little crunch, a little sour, complete your palate.
If you want something a little more substantial for a snack, we like to have some of this organic, no nitrate turkey on hand. You can make a turkey roll up, stuff it with avocado. You can put a little bit of cheese in. I really like this romesco dip. It's got tomato, red peppers, a little bit of almonds, and it's delicious. And it goes really well in your turkey roll-ups as well. Another at-home snack that I really like once in a while would be using the Cauliflower Rounds from Trader Joe's, and I make a little mini quesadilla with it. Just pop it on your pan, melt the cheese, crisp it up, and it's really, really good.
On our Eat, Live, Thrive diet in phase 1, we actually have you eliminating all grains. But in phase 2, you go through discovering it and discover which grains you really tolerate well in moderation. Well, one of the things that I tolerate well and absolutely love is popcorn. But popcorn quality is so important. This is Trader Joe's brand, which is made with olive oil, organic popcorn. You can find some other brands like Lesser Evil or Popcornopolis. But what I love especially about this is that if you're just in a crunchy, munchy mood, you can eat more. About 3.5 to 4 cups for only 130 calories and about 16 grams of carbohydrate is a really nice snack when you just got those kind of munchies.
The other thing about that, it's a great on the go. You can literally fill up a Ziploc baggie and you can take it with you. We know that people are always looking for on the go snacks, so this is my other go-to. These are the beef or turkey sticks. Now, if they're beef from Trader Joe's, these are the chomps. They're 100% grass-fed beef, and then they also have the turkey stick, which I really, really like. Oh, one more thing. You can get those grass-fed beef sticks and the turkey sticks. You don't have to do it at Trader Joe's. A lot of other grocery stores will carry some of these products. Another on-the-go snack from Trader Joe's are these oven-baked cheese bites. They come in a couple flavors, regular and truffle. They're super crunchy. I eat maybe half of a bag, and they stay really fresh. You can keep them in your car. Great snack.
Great crouton on salad.
Yes, also really good on your Caesar salad. These keto fudge bites are really, really great on-the-go snacks, and they're sweetened with stevia. They've got MCT oil in them, and just don't keep them in your car and leave them there because they'll melt.
One of my favorite snacks are Perfect Bars, but the snack portion, in my opinion, is half a bar. And you've got that just desire for something sweet, but you don't want to take too much and you want quality ingredients. These can be a great help. I like to keep them in the freezer so I don't eat too many, and I cut mine in little teeny bites so that I can extend the enjoyment. Okay, here's 2 really common on-the-go foods that you might just forget about.
I never forget about the egg. I always have hard-boiled eggs already made in my refrigerator. They're so easy on the go. Take a little Ziploc bag with some salt in it, and you are set with a great protein snack.
Most of you have apples lots of the time and nut butter. Slice it up, put it in a Tupperware, yada, yada. You know what to do, but it's easy and on the go. Do it the night before so you have it ready when you leave the house.
Okay, time for a little controlled indulgence. One of my favorite dark chocolate bars I get at Trader Joe's. It's the 85% dark chocolate. This has about 5 grams of sugar per serving, and we recommend eating a little less than a serving, about 1/4 of a bar. Also, if you want something salty and crunchy, you've got the olive oil potato chips, and then these plantain chips are really good as well. Now remember with these, you've got to use portion control because otherwise you could just go completely off the rails. I do want to say this, these are indulgence snacks and I do not encourage you to eat them on a daily basis.
Couple quick tips. Obviously, if you're on the go, you're going to measure out, put it in a Ziploc baggie. If you're home, I have several small containers. I've figured out this little ramekin, I love these, is exactly 1/4 of a cup. So if I'm doing some nuts or something like that, sometimes even chips or a little granola, I don't even have to get out a measuring cup. I just know this is my little wooden chip bowl. And if it just is slightly over the top, it's usually about 1 ounce of most chips. So I'm not getting out my scale or counting always, but I know I'm pretty on track. In addition to some of these fairly healthy packaged foods and snacks, we do want to alert you that we have so many delicious snacks and recipes as part of our Eat, Live, Thrive Diet book. You can find those in our book, Eat, Live, Thrive Diet, or on our website. Many of them are posted at leanhealthyageless.com.
If you like this video, give us a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do so that you can keep up on all of our latest posts.